Good evening, everybody. Got Kody Ashmore, Director of Weekly Option Strategies, bringing you the free video tonight. So what I want to talk about is the market rally we've had the last 2 days and if it will stick or not, and how we traded it in the small account mastery, where we employ strategies to grow with small accounts to potentially larger ones. Well, with all that being said, let's go ahead and jump on in. So the SPY, what I want to focus on is the dark pool for right now. Why the dark pool? Well, let me explain it to you. So every time these big prints come in, greater than 10 million uh, buy or sell prints, there's typically a big move. So if you look right here, I want to zoom in. Sorry that it's kind of bouncing all over the place. So you can see right here on this day, there was 17.9 million late prints at 362.75. So what exactly does late prints mean? Let me go ahead and just show you what today's prints were to really make an example of it. So I want you to look here and focus on the 252 share size. And you see right here where it says price, this column is what the transaction occurred at. And right here where it says market, that's where the bid and ask was at the time of the transaction when it went across the time and sales window. So someone for multiple transactions throughout the day, same share size, all different times of the day, was hitting the tape saying they were getting filled at 366.56 while the market was actually at 377. It's still $10 away. So how was someone getting filled at this price when the market was not even there? Well, these are transactions that were done yesterday and they're just hitting the tape today. So that's an example today. So if like we're way up here today and they said the transactions were filled at 366, 366.56. So go 356. That's all the way down here. So the point is those prints were coming in and they're being filled into the next day. Thus, you get the rally. I feel like I am really missing something up here. Oh, 66. No wonder that was confusing me. I was like, 56 is way down there. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, 66 right here. So right into this rally right here, it was being purchased while, and then today it's being put into the market right here. So all that being said, that is basically how it works. And then so in this case, there was these late prints. We did flush below, but nonetheless, we're back above it now. That's a large print. So how did we trade it in the small account mastery? Well, we actually put on pull this up here. We actually put it on at an October 10th, 365, 370, 372 broken wing butterfly. And we got in for $1.48 and we flipped it out today for a 70% return at 250. And so that's a quick, nice return. And so it was quick, got in, got out, took advantage of the IV contraction and looking for price to go higher. Now, for now, some levels for everyone to keep an eye out on is this 380 level, where there was about 24 million late prints transacted right here. And if I was to zoom out, you can simply see that all these little print levels are support and resistance. This is just something else I'm looking at, but you can see how it just bounces between all those levels. So I don't really think this is the bottom based off of there hasn't been greater than 10 million sell or buy prints within the last, we'll say, a few days in a row. I like to, instead of just this one day, I would like to see probably 2 to 3 more days of plus 10 million buy prints, but that hasn't occurred. So it looks like this is just a short-term bottom at the time. These are some levels worth watching. I would say 380 and 390. Those are some levels worth watching for your future trading going forth based off the dark pool. And that is how we traded it in the Small Account Mastery. If you're curious how we're doing it, come join us in the Small Account Mastery where me and John Carter team up and we help individuals grow a small account. And we also have a trial going on as well. So that's all I have for you tonight in the free video. If you have any questions, come check me out in the options room. I'm live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 11:30 Central. Other than that, take care, everybody, and I'll see you on the next one.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me